A database is a highly structured collection of data values organized into separate tables. Each table in a database is arranged in columns and rows, which are also referred to as fields and records. A field stores information about a specific characteristics of a person, place, or thing, such as an individual last name, a company address, or a stock value. A record is a collection of these fields. For example, a single record might contain a complete profile of an individual, including fields that specify the person's complete name, mailing address, and phone number. Excel can retrieve data directly from most database applications, including Microsoft Access, the database application that is part of Microsoft Office. A database becomes even more powerful when data from different tables is combined through table relationships. A table relationship establishes an association between tables using one or more fields common to both tables. For example, the data in the stores table can be associated with the data in the employees through the common field store ID. To extract specific information from a database, I use Power Query and the Query Editor. Power Query supports almost all of the popular database applications, including Microsoft Access, SQL Server, Oracle, IBM DB2, and MySQL. I then use the query editor to create a query that extracts data from any one table within those databases. Or I can create a query that extracts data from several tables. I want to use the data from the database file store sales. Click Data tab. In Get and Transform Data, click Get Data Source arrow button. Point on From Database, click Microsoft Access Database. Select the store sale file, click Import. Excel connects to the database and the Navigator dialog box opens, listing all of the tables in the database. Click the Products Purchase table. A preview of the selected table appears in the right pane of the Navigator dialog box. This is the list of tables in the database. The Products Purchased table has three fields. The Order ID field identifies in which order the product was purchased. The Item ID field identifies the product, and the Item Quantity field provides the quantity of the product purchased on that order.